Hi guys, welcome back. So what next? Now we have the project management plan, and with project management plan we have a lot of other information. And if you're wondering, I haven't talked about WBS and all those kind of creations, then don't worry, I will address all of that. I'm moving in the way it's mentioned in the PMBOK guide so that it's easier not only to understand the process of project management, but also is helpful for those who are preparing for PMP exams. So, what is direct and manage project work? In simple language, your daily project management work is a direct and managed project work. It's nothing else. So, what a project management does after creating a project man, which is the implementation part, is being done here. And as I have mentioned about the stages when certain activities are performed, so project charter and project management plan creation happens at the predefined stage, usually once in the case of in the entire project. Whereas this activity, direct and managed project work, as you can expect, happens throughout the project because project manager need to do the project management throughout the project till delivery, till closing the project. So it's very important to stay vigilant here. And these are the inputs, tools, and techniques, and the outputs. So, project management plan, any component. So, any component simply means that it could be, let's say, there is only scope management plan, or only WBS, or only cost. So, whatever document is created as part of project management plan creation activity is going to work as an input here. Then, of course, we have all the project documents like change log, lessons learned registered. Lessons learned register could come from the previous projects. So, if at the end of the all projects, you have to perform this activity where you review the project, how it went well, what worked well, and what went bad, and their root causes. So, all of that will be input here as lessons learned. Then we have milestone list, project communication, schedule, our requirement traceability matrix, which is coming from the business analysis or whoever is working on the requirements, risk register, risk report, and all that data. And of course, environmental factors and the organizational process assets. All of that is part of your input here. Because think of any project. Let's say we are moving our application, the software which our company use to cloud. Now, in this case, we will have a business case. This business case will be something like that cloud is more secure, cloud is faster, it's cheaper from conventional hosting. So that will become your business case. Then that business case will be used to build a project charter. That project charter will become your document where which will justify not only the existence of a project management plan, but also will also include details like constraints, assumptions, high level requirement, cost, a schedule, things like that. And then that will work as an input for project management plan creation. Once you have the project management plan, you need to work on the actual project management, and for anything and everything which was done as part of documentation research for this movement to the cloud will work as a input here. And as it refers to a general management practices, the tools and techniques are expert judgment, project management, information systems, meetings, and the output of this activity would be deliverable. So, in this case, the movement of the cloud, the movement of the application to the cloud, the final deployment to the production would be your deliverables. And of course, all other documents. So, at the end of this project, you're going to create a lessons learned register. You will have a project management plan, project charter document, business analysis documents, testing results. All of that will be your deliverable. Work performance data, issue log, change request, and all of that. You can see that anything and everything which was done and completed as part of this project becomes output of this. And of course, the organizational process assets updates. So basically, let's say if there was a template change done as part of this project, and you will update that central repository of the organization, which will be done as part of organizational process assets updates. And these are some of the major activities which are performed as part of project management activities. So you have to validate the scope, you have to control the scope, control schedule, cost, quality, resources. Then you have to monitor the communication, risk. You have to also work on the procurement if it is needed. Then you have manage the knowledge management side of the project and integrated change control, document updates, stakeholder engagement. These are some of the most common activities which are needed to be done in a project. In the next video, we will talk about managing project knowledge. So that's it for now. Thank you.